A warm and welcoming home in HSR Layout, Modesto House is located ideally in one of the most happening parts of town. With NIFT just round the corner, the locality is definitely happening. Find an abundance of cafes, restaurants, and hangouts nearby, like third wave coffee. And if you're sporty, there are various sports arenas and classes nearby. If you own a two-wheeler, we have parking space for you. To get into this house, you need to pass through various levels of our multi-tier security system. Your safety is extremely important to us. The reception is a cozy space made for the perfect wait out for friends. Just as you walk in, there's a colorful dining area. You can chill here and watch some TV or simply make use of our high-speed internet to get some studying in. Meals cooked in our FSSAI certified kitchens are part and parcel of your stay with us. Enjoy good food and the laid-back vibe here. There is a well-equipped pantry for your personal snacking as well, whether it's popcorn or a steaming cup of coffee you're after. Head to the green carom corner for a bit of competition and fun as you wait for that microwave to go off or your next meal to arrive. Head up in the elevator and find yourself in the corridor where water stations are placed for your convenience. Every bedroom is a splash of color, furnished with comfortable beds and spacious cupboards. Find attached washrooms with modern fittings which promise hot water supply in every bedroom. Head up to the terrace for a view of the city. Well, are you ready for the good times to begin? Take the leap and become a stanzin. Modesto House is waiting your arrival.